Oh man, when I see this, I really miss my boosted board. Never ever have I seen something dumb like that in the vacuum cleaning history. What is this kind of engineering masterpiece? How short is this cable? Because of the SIM card yesterday, we totally forgot about booking the camper van. It is already the next day, but we booked it. And the booking now says, "Hi Lars, thank you for your booking with Australian Backpackers. We are now in the process of confirming your rental, starting with making sure your vehicle is still available at the quoted rates. This will contain..." So in the next 24 hours we will get either a confirmation for our booking for tomorrow, or we have to change our plan.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not, yeah, so we really hope that we get the camper van tomorrow. Ready?
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Bye guys, see you later. So, it is 2 hours ago that we booked the camper. We still got no confirmation that our booking is good, but we also have other very good news to share with you. We both got finally our SIM card activated. Don't ask what a hassle that was, but we finally got it done. We both tried our German passports and it was not working at all. But we asked Lisa, you might know her from a previous episode. When was it? On Monday? What?
So it's us who's doing that. We are doing that.
A couple of days ago. And she sent us a picture of her passport and yes, we finally got it activated. Oh my god, you can't believe what a difference it makes being around in a city and always have access to the internet. It makes just everything so much easier. This is the tram already, right? I don't know how it is for you, but when we are traveling to a new city, to a new country, we're always checking the internet and especially YouTube for like Melbourne top 10 attractions, must see, must things to do. And to be honest, we missed one here for Melbourne in particular, and this is, in our opinion, one of the best attractions Melbourne has to offer. And it is this City Circle Line tram. Let me tell you why, and that's for just one reason only. The tram goes here around the city in a circle. That's also the reason why this is called the City Circle Tram. This City Circle Line tram gives you an overview and you are able to hop on and hop off the tram as many times as you want to see all the sights of Melbourne, which has Melbourne to offer. The tram runs approximately every 20 minutes, 7 days a week, and stops at all these different locations around the city. Thanks to our SIM card, we now can't get lost in Melbourne. Man, how windy is that today? Whoa! Honey, we need to cross the street. What is he doing on a scooter? Huh? He's hiding from the wind. Do you want to check the emails for the booking tomorrow?
Yes. No emails.
Okay. So we got off the circle tram here and we're now walking to the... Where is it? Oh yeah, it's right over there. The Shrine of Shrine of Remembrance. And this is it. Wow. Oh, what are these guys doing over there? Is today a national day and we don't know it? Because these guys over there are marching. This is really cool. We're now going inside. When it's for free. When we have to pay anything, then probably not. Oh, look at the medals. This wall contains 4,000 service medals. Oh, they are beautiful. Hello.
Hi there. How are you?
What do you need to see?
Sorry?
What do you need?
Oh, you need to show me your vaccination status.
Yes, okay.
Yep. And then you need to check into the building as well. The shrine itself you've seen from the outside, and that opened in 1934.
Okay.
So it was a memorial to the First World War, to Victorians who served in that war. But since then it's become a memorial to all the other conflicts that they've been involved in as well. In the middle is a room called the Crypt. That's part of the original building. There's a statue in there you'll see, and there's a stairwell there or a lift that goes up to the sanctuary.
And the entrance is for free, right?
It's for free.
And then this big here is first.
I probably just repeat what he said, but we are right now here underneath the Shrine of Remembrance, and you can walk around here clockwise. Everything starts with World War I, World War II, and what this shrine is meant for, it is just here for peace. Conflicts and peacekeeping from 1945 until today. Peace remains elusive, but a tradition of service and sacrifice continues. So true. As we can see nowadays in Europe, peace remains elusive. Oh yeah, 9/11 attacks. I don't know how you feel right now, but when I'm going to such places, or it makes me a little bit sad. Right? And this also reminds me of what's happening right now in Europe. I really tried to avoid this topic in a vlog, and I really don't want to talk about it at all, but I just want to mention that what's happening right now is it's so terrible. I mean, but I also think that a world without a war will never exist. There will always be conflicts with countries, with people. You should definitely come to this place because you got also a very cool overview above Melbourne. And last but not least, the entry here is completely for free. So it should definitely be on your list visiting Melbourne. This today, right here, right now, could be our last day in Melbourne, in this really wonderful, beautiful city. But yes, our booking for the camper van tomorrow has not yet been confirmed, so we might stay for one more day here in Melbourne. We'll find out tomorrow.